Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 12 of our Fit Body Challenge. Just continue marching in sport with me as usual so that we warm up that body, preparing the heart, the muscles for our workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. Today we are going to be working on toning those thighs yet again, lifting and sculpting that butt with 100 lunges with 5 different variations. So make sure you are hydrated, you are energized for this workout, feeling your heart rate going up right now. We are going to be beginning with the basic forward lunge. So get into position. We are going to be doing 10 per side. Pull your arms towards the spine. You want to lunge back, get back, lunge, back. Keep going. Feeling those thigh muscles working, the glutes working, the legs working. Doing amazing. Just give me one more per leg and the last one. Well done. And getting into position, we are going to get into the lateral lunge. Still 20 of those. You want to begin with the right side. You want to lunge and get up, lunge and back. Going, give me 2 more and 1 more, and the other leg. You want to lunge and back. Give me 2 more and 1 more. Well done. Get back up. We are going to be doing the curtsy lunge. Beginning straight out, pull those abs towards the spine. We shall begin with 1 and 2. Going, we are halfway there. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Feeling that heart rate up as well. Just give me 1 more per leg and the other leg. Well done. Next, you want to get into an active rest session, giving me some shuffles, just about 30 seconds of this, and we are going to be getting into the reverse lunge and the kick. So keep going, catching your breath. If you need to grab some water, please do, and we shall begin just about now. So you want to reverse lunge back, get up and kick, lunge and kick. Don't trip, just like I tried to do over there. Keep stable. Give me 1 more, lunge back and kick it out. And heading onto this other leg, you want to lunge back and kick, lunge back, and kick it out. Lunge. Just give me one more. Lunge back and kick it out. Relax it out. Getting into split lunges. So what you want to do is to split 2 and lunge. 1, 2, the other leg. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Keep going. Give me 2 more and 1 more. Well done. Ooh, that was intense. Relax it up. That was it, guys. We are done getting those muscles toned up, growing, and in order we want to stretch it out. Coming to the end of our workout, beginning with the right leg, you want to give me that hamstring stretch, stretching out your leg, feeling that good stretch in your legs, holding it right there for 30 seconds. Keep breathing, abs towards the spine. Keep going. My heart rate is so up. I feel like I'm sweating, and just bring down that heart rate for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to switch up legs the other side. Keep holding this right there, abs towards the spine. You have done an amazing job. I don't know, sometimes I find myself screaming, then other times I find myself talking so slow, like as if I'm whispering. Yeah, I only get to realize this when I'm editing the videos actually, but just keep on holding it right there. How are you guys feeling? For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you've made it this far with me. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me, like how are you finding this challenge. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in this fit body challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.